Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by securing a backup because you're about to change many permissions. Make sure iCloud or Finder shows a recent backup. Once done, open Settings and tap Privacy so you can see location, contacts, photos, microphone, camera, and tracking at a glance. You need your Apple ID password and device passcode handy to confirm permission changes or reset apps later. This prevents accidental lockouts and gives you a restore point if you reverse settings. You'll work methodically through each group. First, tracking. Toggle Allow apps to request tracking off to stop cross-app identifiers. This blocks many ad networks. Then open Location Services and change per app access to never or while using depending on how much data you want to expose. Next, in Privacy, tap Contacts, Photos, Microphone and Camera and revoke apps you don't want accessing them. Make sure to confirm prompts. Revoking reduces background, data collection, and limits sensors apps can use. Finish by turning off system-level telemetry. Go to Privacy, right arrow Analytics and Improvements and disable Share iPhone and watch Analytics plus any improvements toggles. Once done, restart the phone to ensure all permission states take effect, then audit each app in Settings, right arrow Privacy to confirm changes. If an app stops working after a revoke, re-enable only the specific permission required and test. This targeted approach fixes breakage without reintroducing broad data access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.